Welcome back. Let's do question 7.3. AP is a vertical flagpole that is root 5 p meters long. We've discussed that in the previous questions. Then AC and AD are two cables anchoring the flagpole. Then B, C, and D are in the same horizontal plane. BD is 2p meters, and then angle ACD is equal to x, and angle ADC is equal to 45 degrees. Now says it is further given that P is 10 and then X is 110 degrees. Calculate the area of triangle ADC. Right, we want the area of triangle ADC. This is triangle ADC. What do we need to find the area of a triangle? Right, to use the area rule, we just need what? We just need side, angle, side. We need two sides and an included angle. So we have the angle here, which is 45 degrees. This is an included angle. It is between the side AD, we have 3p there. And also we have CD, we just found that CD is equal to 3p, then sine x plus cos x over square root of 2 sine x. Right, so we're using our area rule, we can find the area of this triangle. But to use the area rule, we need two sides and an included angle. Right. So let's use the area rule. Area of triangle ADC is equal to half, and then side is AD, then another side is CD, then times sine 45. 45 degrees is the included angle. Right, let's substitute what we have. We have half, and then AD is 3p, and then CD we have 3p sine x plus cos x over sine x, then sine 45 degrees. Make sure you substitute correctly. Let's substitute 1 over 2. And then after substitution, you can just put this thing into the calculator. And then 3 times 10, because p is 10, so it means this is 30. And then we have 3p, 3 times 10 again, this is 30. And then sine 110 plus cos 110 degrees. Right, be careful with the brackets. You're going to have brackets here in your calculator, then brackets there also. Okay, right, and then over root 2 sine 110 degrees, right, and then sine 45. Just make sure you substitute correctly, and then you put this in the calculator, and then you get your area, which is 143,11 square meters, because our dimensions are in meters. So that's what you're supposed to do there.